Morning, hi, this is Travis from National Weather Services, and this is your weather hazard briefing for December 14th, Saturday morning. Today we'll continue to get some snow. We've got a couple inches across the area, particularly for our southern areas, and we'll continue to look to get a couple more inches this morning down low and perhaps a little bit more in the mountains. And then Pocatello may actually get a little bit, Pocatello and Inkom area may actually get a little bit more this afternoon with a convergence event setting up late this morning into the afternoon. Talk about it a little bit more, and then this evening into Sunday and Monday, we'll have a lot of cooler temperatures start to filter into the area, and they'll bring us much below normal Sunday and Monday, and continue in through the week. Here is that moisture stream into our area. It shows a little bit better on this water vapor imagery with our 500 millibar heights. We have on our low levels, we have northerly winds, or winds, downslope winds across our Snake River Plain bring cooler temperatures, and then we kind of have an overrunning westerly flow, which is bringing us some nice snow this morning. You can see we'll have a little bit of ridging set up the next day or two, and then we'll have a little bit of a precip move up and over this ridge, with a little bit stronger high pressure ridging that will develop over us late Monday through Wednesday, bringing clear skies in the middle of next week. We do have some advisories in place, again, for those snow that we're going to look for today. The Albion Mountains, as well as the mountains for Pebble and the Wasatch, as well as the Big Hole. Look to get a good 2 to 4 inches this morning, and then, like I said, with Pocatello, we could potentially get additional 2 to 4 inches with a convergence type of wind event that could set up. There's a little bit of uncertainty there, but it's looking a little bit better that could happen. So it could get a little bit more snow than just that couple inches this morning. And this is the current snow that's occurring over us currently. Again, as I mentioned, we do have that winds dropping down from the north currently. That's bringing us some cooler temperatures, and then we're looking for those winds to be more of a westerly flow this afternoon, and that'll combine with a northerly and kind of target for the Pocatello area. And that's kind of what was set up that wind event this late this morning and tomorrow into this afternoon that will bring us additional snow amounts. So here's as far as the snowfall for this morning. You can see in general 1 to 2 inches across the areas favoring the upslope areas, mountains. 1 to 2, and with 2 to 4 in the mountains. And then here's that for the event for this afternoon, late this morning into the afternoon. See additional 1 to 2, possibly 1 to 3 inches for Pocatello with localized heavier amounts. And here's kind of the total snowfall amounts. In general, we're looking for a couple inches across the area, with some areas like Pocatello getting that 2 to 4 inches, and that purple area is kind of a 4 to 6 range. And so there are some areas, particularly the bench areas, that could get that 4 to 6 inches. Some areas like Pebble may even get a little bit more than that, and as well as the Wasatch Mountains. Here's the high temperature for today. With that, again, with those westerly winds kicking in, it'll pump those temperatures up a little bit for this afternoon. So when that snowfall does come this afternoon, some of that will melt as it hits, but there will be falling on snow, so a lot of that won't necessarily, unless the roadways are already clear. And then as far as here, as you can see, the cool temperatures really starting to come in by Sunday morning. And then as we get into Sunday daytime, they're a good 5 degrees below normal. Some areas 8 to 12, particularly our northern areas have already gotten some of that colder air coming in. And as we see by Monday morning, just slightly cooler, and still a little bit cloudy, particularly for our southern areas, but our northern areas, you can see, are dropped quite a bit. And then as far as our daytime highs for Monday, again, 5 to 8 degrees below normal as far as the daytime highs. Some areas a little bit more than that. And then as you go into Tuesday, you can see well below normal, single digits across the areas. And then as in Tuesday, again, that temperature is a good 10 degrees, or some areas 15 degrees below normal as far as those temperatures, and that will continue Wednesday as well. It does look like a weak system as it moves in later in the week, but we'll have more on that later. Just again, a quick summary. Well, it continues to snow today, a couple inches, mainly for our southern area south of Idaho Falls, a little bit more in the mountains, and then potentially the Pocatello area could get even more than that couple inches I mentioned. And then here's the cool temperatures will filter in across the area and continue through midweek. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at this number. Thank you.